Plant FAQs, Colocasia Aloha. Colocasia Aloha, unveiling the beauty and care of this dramatic elephant ear. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to delve into the world of Colocasia Aloha, a stunning elephant ear variety that injects a bold tropical touch into any space. This FAQ will unveil its secrets, from care tips to its unique characteristics that set it apart. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is Colocasia Aloha? Colocasia Aloha is a cultivar, a fancy term for a cultivated variety of Colocasia esculenta, commonly known as taro or elephant ear. It's a tuberous perennial belonging to the Araceae family, sharing kinship with calla lilies and jack-in-the-pulpit. This captivating plant boasts exceptionally glossy leaves that morph from an olive green hue to a dramatic, deep purple-black. Each leaf can unfurl to a majestic 2 feet in length and 1 foot wide, creating a truly impactful presence. Is Colocasia Aloha easy to care for? Colocasia Aloha is generally considered a user-friendly plant. Here are some key things to remember. Light. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, but avoid soggy conditions. Soil. While draining, fertile soil is ideal. A mix of potting soil, perlite, and compost works well. Temperature. Aloha prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost, as it's not cold hardy. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer applied monthly can boost growth. With these simple guidelines, your Colocasia Aloha should flourish. Can I grow Colocasia Aloha indoors or outdoors? The good news is that Colocasia Aloha can thrive in both indoor and outdoor settings. Here's a quick breakdown for each. Indoors. As a houseplant, it adds a touch of the tropics. Provide bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Outdoors. In warmer climates, Colocasia Aloha can be a stunning addition to your garden. Plant it in a shady spot with well-draining soil. Bring it indoors before the first frost. Tip: when bringing your Colocasia Aloha indoors for winter, gradually acclimate it to the lower light levels to avoid stress. How does Colocasia Aloha differ from other elephant ear varieties? Many elephant ear varieties exist, each with its own charm. Here's a quick comparison of Aloha with 2 popular choices. Alocasia Black Velvet. Similar dark foliage, but Alocasia is a different genus with more upright growth and slightly smaller leaves. Colocasia Black Magic. Another dark-leaved Colocasia, but Black Magic has a more upright form and less dramatic color shift than Aloha. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your preference and growing conditions. Does Colocasia Aloha have any pests or diseases to watch out for? While generally healthy, Colocasia Aloha can be susceptible to a few issues. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects appear as cottony white masses on leaves. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them. Aphids. These tiny green or black insects also feed on plant sap. Apply insecticidal soap or neem oil for control. Fungal diseases. Overwatering can lead to fungal issues. Ensure good drainage and avoid wetting the leaves directly. If you notice any signs of pests or diseases, address them promptly to prevent further damage. How do I propagate Colocasia Aloha? Colocasia Aloha can be propagated by division, a process where you split the existing tuberous clump into smaller sections. Here's a simplified approach. Carefully remove the plant from its pod in spring or early summer. Using a sharp knife, divide the clump into sections, each with an eye growth point. Repot each division in well-draining soil and water thoroughly. With proper care, your new Colocasia Aloha divisions should establish themselves within a few weeks. By following these tips and insights, you can successfully cultivate the captivating Colocasia Aloha and bring a touch of dramatic elegance to your indoor or outdoor space. Remember, consistent moisture, bright indirect light, and warm temperatures are the keys to its happy existence. So, embrace the tropical vibes and enjoy the beauty of this unique elephant ear variety.